Hello everyone and welcome to Trade Picker. So let's talk about what happened with Nifty this entire week. So on Monday we saw Nifty gap up and close about 300 points higher. Um, what followed was just some kind of consolidation. On Tuesday we saw a good looking spinning top doji with coupled with an inside bar. We thought, personally, I thought there would be some continuation towards the downside, but that did not happen. We saw Nifty take support from its Friday highs and bounce higher from there. And Thursday and Friday have pretty much just been consolidation. So, what can we expect from the next week? What could happen? So, if I switch to the weekly chart, we see a spinning top doji on the charts for Nifty. This is usually a sign of a reversal or a sign of a consolidation. So there are two things that could happen. Uh, if you see it break lower, then this entire range that it was trading in this week, if we see it break lower from this entire range, we could see some further sell-off towards this entire region, that is 11,200, which is what I expected initially. I expected Nifty to sell off, come back here, which is the region where Nifty broke out from, and then go back higher, but that is not, it's not happened. So I've had to change my ideas, and I've had to revise my plan for Nifty. So for the next week, I expect Nifty to again trade either flattish or slightly bearish. That is my expectation. We see the SPX has broken about 50 odd points. So let's see how that holds on Monday. The SPX hasn't been all that accurate. If we take the recent history into account. So let's see how Nifty behaves on Monday. It'll be quite interesting this entire week. We could, as discussed, we could either have consolidation, that is Nifty trading in a sort of a range for a few weeks and then going in either direction, or we could see sort of a retracement back to 11,200, 11,175, 11,200. If I just simply talk about slightly longer term, there could be a potential head and shoulder formation on Nifty if we see this entire thing break out. But that is again, it's very speculative right now. There's not any sort of certainty in that. It's just an idea. So let's see how that behaves for the future. So again, it's very important to understand the different ranges or the different levels. So previously in my video, I discussed about this entire tight wedge kind of a formation that was happening, and that is still intact. So a long trade would only happen once it's able to break above this entire trend line. Currently, I see the break above 11,600, and we see sort of a base formation at 11,500. So now we've got a potential trade opportunity, either to go long above 11,600 or to go short below 11,500. Now coming to some technical indicators, if I talk about the moving averages, I use the 9 simple moving averages, especially for the daily. We can see Nifty is still very extended. So expecting any kind of an up move from here is going to be slightly optimistic, and I do not think that move will hold for a long time. So my personal expectation for that reason is either a consolidation or a move back lower. So that was it for my outlook for this week. Again, I'm expecting mild bearish and or flattish kind of a week. We could see a good trend if we see crucial support levels being taken out. But other than that, I do not expect anything significant to happen. So let's see what happens this week. And that was it for my outlook. Make sure you guys comment in case you disagree, or even for that matter agree with my opinion, and see something different in the chart. I would love to know what you think. And that is it for now. Thank you.